Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. Unfortunately, Facebook has stopped. So if you see this error on your Facebook, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So mostly it happens because you have problems with your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. So just find here Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. And just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this error, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And also, you can try to update your Facebook app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, and in the search just write Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, so just tap on update and wait until it will successfully download and update your Facebook on your iPhone. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.